Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Gad Talks. Today, I will be talking about a new Android 3G Wi-Fi smartwatch. This smartwatch is called the K98H smartwatch. It is one of the smartwatches that come from China, and it goes for about under $100 for quite a bit of features. So let's see if this is the smartwatch for you. First of all, let's go through some of the designs on the smartwatch. So the band is made out of silicone, a little bit different from the usual silicone that comes with the Chinese smartwatches. This one, it's a little bit, you could tell there's a little bit of structure to it, and it feels nicer and not as cheap as the other smartwatches that have a silicone band. So as you can see, there are some pretty good patterns with the silicone band here. So it's pretty nice. This smartwatch has the ability to use a SIM card. So if you want to actually operate this smartwatch entirely on its own and go online on its own without connecting to your phone, you can buy yourself a SIM card at a mobile store for your phone, and you can do that. And you can basically just go online and operate this smartwatch entirely off itself. This watch also is using a magnetic charger, 4-pin magnetic charger, which is cool because you can just snap it on and it charges really fast, unlike using a USB charger, which I am not in favor of. So on the case, you can see that there are some speaker holes here. So this smartwatch could make some sound decently, unlike other watches that don't have the speaker. The screen is made out of, the case is actually made out of aluminum, and it is a touchscreen. So this is the standard face that it comes with. Let's try to put this watch on and see how it feels. Okay. So this is how the watch looks like when you put it on. It's definitely got a pretty good feel to it. Not too big or not too small. The case is a little thick, but that's fine because, you're not really going to be able to see that from just the surface. I like some of the details on the case. For example, it would be giving you the second by second measurements, and you can also tell on this face, the seconds hand would move electronically, so that's pretty cool. It moves just like a quartz watch, except it's like electronic. So this is the home button. It's only one button, and once you press this button and have the screen on, you can check out some of the watch faces that it comes with, which, it comes with quite a bit of watch faces here. So don't have to worry about getting bored with it in the near future. So some of these faces are actually really cool. And I believe if, you do get tired of these faces, you can find a way to download some more, either free or paid online. I believe this watch also comes with gesture control. So if you turn it on, if you turn it off, and you do a gesture just like this, like you're trying to tell time, your watch would detect that gesture, and the screen will come on for the time for you to see. Now, let's check out some of the features on this watch. So, there are going to be social media features. Your standard social media, which is Facebook, WeChat, WhatsApp, Twitter, Skype. Okay. If you want to go back to the main menu, you just simply swipe down from any sub-menu that you're going to be on. You're going to have your standard clock features, such as your stopwatch, alarms, and your timer. You're also going to have some standard settings such as internet, power saving, wireless, just kind of like an Android operating system here. You also have the option to dial. So either you connect it through your phone or you can have a SIM card which can operate these functions. You're going to have your browser. And then you're going to have some basic tools such as your calculator, your calendar. You're also going to have the Play Store since this is an Android system. So if you need to download any additional apps that's compatible with your watch, you can also do that here. You're going to change the theme of your how your watch looks. There's also a file manager, so you know that it is capable of downloading some files and seeing what you can do with it. You also have your sound center, which is you can use it to record sound or play music. And then your other multimedia, which would be galleries and video. Okay, so that looks like just a basic walkthrough of the functions of this watch. This watch, I do recommend because I do like the look. I do like the amount of watch faces it comes with already, pre-installed. So it's definitely something that, you could enjoy for some time after you have this watch. The look of this watch is very nice as well. I have had some other watches that are just overly big. This one is not. You can actually wear this watch for a hangout or, just for almost any purpose. But do note that this watch is not waterproof. So do not take it to any, many outdoor situations. This is very much a hangout watch. So if you're going out and, it looks elegant enough for, some very cool, informal situations, even formal situations, but not hangout, okay? I mean, not outdoors. So, for a watch that's priced under $100, this is definitely a very cool watch comparing to other Android watches out there, like the KW88 or KW99. So, for a watch under $100, I do recommend this for anyone who wears watches to hang out but not for outdoors. Okay? So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, a share, or subscribe to my channel. If you do want to proceed and purchase this watch, I have included my affiliate links below in the video description. That leads you to Amazon or eBay. I am an affiliate with Amazon and eBay, so if you do purchase using my links below, I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you very much again for tuning in, and we will see you again at the next video.